Hey guys, here's a quick video to help you out with some of the angle problems that you've got for your homework. And this one's a pretty common one that you'll see, and I thought I'd walk it through for you. So in this example, angle WXZ is 80 degrees. Okay, so you've got, let's see, WXZ, and that's 80 degrees. That 80 degrees is made up of these two smaller angles inside. Okay, you've got angle WXY and you've got angle ZXY. So WXY is this little piece right here. So if I kind of split that up a little bit, not right down the middle necessarily, but split it up into two angles. I've got x plus 5 is here, and then this angle here is going to be 3x minus 5. So I have these two smaller angles, right, making up the big angle, the 80 degrees. So this 80 degrees is all the way from here to here. Okay, oops. So the measure of angle WXZ is 80 degrees. And this one plus this one together must equal that 80 degrees. That's our angle addition postulate. Remember, little plus little make big. So x plus 5 plus 3x minus 5 is going to equal the 80. Okay, what a lot of people tend to do is they just set these two equal to each other, which would work if x, what was the letter here, xy? If this xy, this ray here, was actually a bisector. But nowhere does it tell us that we have a bisector, so we can't assume that. Okay, and if it did tell us it was a bisector, we'd kind of be able to figure it out relatively quickly, because if the whole thing is 80 and it gets cut in half, well then I guess they'd each be, 40. So let's, I guess it's possible, but I don't think that's going to happen here. So let's set it up. Little plus little equals big. And then the rest is just your basic algebra. So combine like terms. X plus 3x is 4x. 5 minus 5, well that kind of worked out, right? 5 plus negative 5 is just 0. So 4x equals 80, which means x of course has to be 20, right? Divide both sides by 4. X is 20. Let's see what these actual measurements are. If x is 20, I can take that and substitute back in and actually figure out what each angle is. 20 plus 5, of course, is 25 degrees. And 20 times 3, right? 20 times 3 minus 5 is 60 minus 5 is 55 degrees. So one of the little angles was 25. The other little angle was 55. And together, 55 and 25, here, let me move this out of the way. 55 and 25, of course, is 80, so we know we did it right. The 80 right here. Okay? So this is essentially just little plus little make big, just like when we did the segment addition postulate, but it's for angles instead. Okay, so don't fall into the trap of assuming that each of these angles are always going to be congruent. That only works if you know for sure that you have a bisector. Okay, hopefully that helps with those kinds of problems. Let me know if you get stuck on anything, and I will talk to you later. Bye.